question for Eric. Are you a better buyer or seller in today's market?
That is a great question. You know, there's so much private equity capital floating around in the market. There's such a huge overhang of capital that conventional wisdom would tell you to sell everything that's not nailed down into this valuation market. But the reality is we have to stick to what I referenced before. We have to stick to the discipline of understanding the milestones that we set out for the business and apply some rigor in that. There's always the backdrop of, do we reach the next milestone and risk the capital markets coming back on us by 1 or 2 multiples, in which case we really held an asset to stay in place. But if we are constantly market timing with the M&A cycle, I think would be in long-term big trouble. That's not to say we don't take advantage of a business that we may go to market with in the first quarter of next year, where we think we haven't reached milestones, and in order for us to reach milestones, it's another 2-year hold, and the capital markets are so good it's not worth holding. So it's a balance, but we skew towards sticking to our knitting in our milestone approach.